get when you buy the EcuTek stuff. I'm not sponsored by EcuTek or anything, just saying. That way, if you're a little nervous about like getting your car tuned and stuff like that, I'm just trying to ease that up because I was a little bit nervous. So pretty much, you buy this EcuTek kit. Comes with 2 stickers. This little dongle, USB kind of thing, and this is actually where your license comes in. So if you buy a license, they give you this little USB stick, and this is as well separate. Comes with the little thing you plug into your OB2, and it comes with a USB cord to plug this in like this. And then pretty much just straight to your laptop. And there's also an app. I don't know if I showed you guys, but let me bring it up. I got pretty much an iPhone, so I just click EcuTek. Let me start the car up so I can show you. So rookie mistake, technically it didn't show up because I clicked the app and I forgot to plug this in. So you just plug this into your OB2.
That's funny. And make sure to follow. Damn.
Let you click my car, and you can have like little gauges as well.
See if I can
so that's pretty cool and all, and also makes freaking data logging really easy. Literally you just click start, reads all your stuff, look, start, stop, and then you go back. So if you ever have to send your tune or anything, you just go to be my files, data logs, and you can literally send it through email real quick. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Alright, so today we're going to show you how to work with EcuTek and like how to install your RaceROM. Pretty much whatever your tuner sends you, and how to pretty much flash your car. So they usually say put everything off, so roll your windows up and all that other good stuff. Let me turn my screen off here. Alright. So I actually had to buy one of these because this laptop only had one port. So for me, I thought the Bluetooth would connect to my phone and it should work, but it didn't work. Or even connect to my laptop and it didn't work for some reason. So that's why I have these two. So run your extension, your USB cord straight down there to under the dash with OB2. There you go. Alright, let's pop this up. This bad boy.
It only works with Windows.
Oh yeah, it only works with Windows, not Google Chrome, not MacBook. Literally, this is like the third laptop I borrowed because I don't have a laptop, because I figured who needs the laptop, right? And then here I am with the laptop. So you're gonna want to open up Pro ECU. If not, you can go to EcuTek's website.
You have to get closer.
And you could download Pro ECU. Alright, so I'm gonna turn this off. And
see
this up.
you just have key on, right?
Yeah. Yeah, all I did was, this is Toyota 86, so I just clicked twice. That way all my lights are showing still. So, turn the screen off this thing. So when you're connected and everything's good, these should be green. Okay, so you gotta make sure you go to your email, download the map for your car. Then you just go to tools. Let this zoom in there. Tools, and you click detect vehicle. Okay, so once you click tools, detect vehicle, you should read program ECU right there. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, so you click program ECU and you just click OK. Now you want to choose the ROM file right there, and I'm gonna go with, here we go, my Rev 3. Okay. Alright, once you choose the ROM file and everything, you just click program ECU. Everything's up, everything's off, perfect. And just don't touch anything else.
Look at your RPMs.
Yeah, just going up.
It's going up.
It tells you switch ignition off. Switch ignition on. And you just want to click yes. Awesome, so your car is pretty much tuned. Now I'm just going to do it again because I actually left my lights on. Alright, so that's pretty much it, and we'll see you next time. Okay, bye.
And out here in Mexico, Guadalajara, about to do a 3-4 pull for his logging. Daniel.